good.
I can.
This was a neighbouring farm to Parents Place.
You done a bloody good job on the bloody orchard.
Put on the forest.
Yeah, but this here's quite good too. They brought the neighbour's farm and
The forest and saw a lot of beauty lay around all the other areas.
Excuse me, Richard. Sorry.
Discovery. But yeah, we're doing a lot of
well, thank you.
blackberry clearing and.
I wanted a proper copy, man.
Oh, shut up, Ritz. You didn't say that.
What the hell's a proper coffee?
Frothy milk.
It looks like.
Someone needs to buy a Mazda. Then we've got all the brands covered.
No one wants to own a Holden now, though.
No,
Pieces of shit.
can't give them away, eh?
Can't give them one.
Gordy just bought a new one. Fuck, that's a serious one today.
Yeah, no,
That's fucking really serious. That's the reason why you're carrying it down the pond. Fuck me. It's fucking heavy, isn't it?
it's got 25 litres.
Fuck, it's 25 litres of
Whatever you
water.
do, don't trip over in the mud. Because you're never getting up. It's been fixed, alright?
Just watch it on that iron, mate.
There's a guy in Christchurch selling them.
Yep.
$1,600.
Where it's come from.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's the same guy.
The wagon and tell us what to do.
Yeah, okay. A little bit to the right.
Yeah, no, they did a bit of work on it just before opening weekend. We reckon it was when they brought the excavators down and did the bottom weir. Look at the ducks.
I wonder if we shouldn't move the trailer and put that on the grass and put the iron on it while it's on the grass.
Come on.
We're all going to end
Stop
up
pissing
our
around,
knees
let's
in
lift
the
it off.
water.
Yeah, but at least we know you're here when they come looking.
And the blooper reel is rolling.
Yeah.
I'm going to be at this end, I think.
No need to be negative. People with gumboots are going to the front.
Yep. Yeah, Mel and I got
Who's
boots.
got the longest gum boots?
Not me, Rex.
You and Rex here, and
He's showing off his new boots, look.
Yeah, they're pretty flash, aren't they?
Took him 5 years to buy those.
did you buy that with the $100?
Alright.
Now, which way we go?
Well, we'll lift up, go that way and then just straight on. Alright. Oh, yeah, no, it should be alright. Yeah, keep it nice.
Really nice milk.
Wait a minute, we're going to step over the trailer.
We're going to...
Oh, we'll go this way, we'll go this way. Good? Yeah. Wait, Mel, just move the board back.
Simpson, look at that. Fucking more one.
Fucking A.
Couldn't have planned that any better.
Well, we could have really.
You could have had some beer open.
Beer? Look at the money you saved, Rick. You wouldn't have had all the duckweed.
The trouble is I've got all this money from the trip that I'd saved up.
Yeah.
And now I'm getting a whole 1.3%.
Oh, well, you don't want to be fucking doing anything.
Well, the problem is you will, because it's all fucking expensive.
I'd be surprised if anything's still floating.
Hey?
You want the cocktail? No. You don't want it.
I had visions of having to carry.
A nightmare. Yeah, I'm having to carry each sheet up.
Well, I thought that's what we were going to do.
Oh, the frogs. Good sign we got rid of a lot of the rats. Yeah. Although the weeds we sprayed last time have gone, but the ones we couldn't get are still there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Yep. Great to hear the frogs. Alright, we want to get in there and get the boat in there and spray all that, eh?
That far side.
Yep.
Right with that, right in front of that.
Right along there where we couldn't reach it. They've done a good job in here.
Yeah, well see, this has all been covered with water now. It's
Mm.
killed it. See?
All starting to sink. Oh, that's good. Good.
It's a bit of a hum though.
I think it's bees in the willows
Still a lot of weed.
with the willow flower.
Well, hang on, we'll fire it up and I'll...
Yeah. Yep, we'll get this shit.
Actually, this is falling over.
No, we might just leave that there. It's a nice little cover.
That tree's falling.
I got a nice shot of your gloves there, Sandy.
On my what? My butt?
Your gloves.
At least it came back.
That tree you just did was a game changer.
Well, that's a big tree. You needed clearing out of the
That
way.
was a game changer. Yeah. There's another one on the corner.
Hey, hey,
Yeah,
hey.
yeah. I have to move my head about that
Well,
much.
no, we're not
It's
worried
no
about
good.
you, mate. I already made the executive decision. If I got to try and get this any lower than this,
Mal, there was another metre of water on this.
yeah, there was another metre of water in
There
it.
was canal everywhere.
It was like- Wow, look at this. Oh. This is Venice 2020.
What a fucking swamp for us.
No way, take. Yeah, no, it goes great. No, I still reckon you run them on the bank.
No, because I think you're going to have to push them out a little bit. It's It's not like our pond because it's big. Because of the area,
Aye.
you're going to have to be off the bank to shoot well.
This is going to need a couple of stands too, eh?